For those looking to create an elegant dessert with minimal effort, consider the mascarpone and chocolate mousse. This delectably simple treat brings together rich mascarpone cheese and velvety chocolate in a matter of minutes. Begin by gathering high-quality mascarpone cheese and a bar of good chocolate. Break the chocolate into small pieces and place them in a microwave-safe bowl. Using 30-second intervals, microwave the chocolate until fully melted and smooth, stirring between each interval to ensure even melting. Once the chocolate is ready, transfer it to a mixing bowl and combine it with the mascarpone cheese. Stir this mixture vigorously until it achieves a uniform, creamy consistency. For an added layer of flavor, incorporate a splash of vanilla extract. The next step involves preparing the whipped cream, which gives the mousse its airy texture. Pour chilled heavy cream into a separate bowl and whip it using a hand mixer or a stand mixer until soft peaks form. This process typically takes a few minutes, depending on the cream's fat content and temperature. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone chocolate mixture. Use gentle, yet deliberate stirring motions to maintain the airy quality of the whipped cream, blending just until the mixture is homogeneous. The resulting mousse should appear light and fluffy. For presentation, spoon the mousse into individual serving glasses. These can be simple dishes or more elaborate stemware, depending on the occasion. Place the filled glasses in the refrigerator to chill briefly, which helps to set the mousse and enhance its texture. Finalize your dessert with a garnish of cocoa powder sifted over the top or a few fresh berries for a vibrant contrast. This mascarpone and chocolate mousse, with its rich flavors and elegant appearance, is sure to impress guests or provide a sophisticated treat for any dessert enthusiast. The simplicity and speed of its preparation make it a perfect choice for those short on time, yet looking to enjoy a gourmet experience.